She looked cakey, so patchy. It cracked by evening. I tried my best.
You never let me go first.
What?
You threw her on bare skin.
She didn't hydrate the skin. You can't expect smooth coverage on dry texture. I'm not skincare, I'm coverage. And I was used too much. That's why she looked heavy. I even out skin tone. I hydrate and prep. I smooth and grip. I lock it in. I was never the villain. I was misused.
Hydrate first, prime second, foundation third. Set lightly.
If you think foundation was betrayed, follow for the truth about beauty.
I am the best fruit to treat baldness and hair loss. I help your scalp grow new hair continuously. I have many benefits to regrow hair. And in 30 days, you will thank me. I contain quercetin to help calm inflammation and vitamin C to support collagen and keep hair strong. Researchers did a study on my oil and found that I stimulate hair growth in 84% of participants. Simply rub my oil into your scalp and you will notice hair growth in as little as 2 weeks. If you couldn't tell by now, I'm amla fruit, used for generations to support thick, strong hair. Comment grow to experience the benefits for yourself.